everybody, it's time for my new jigsaw, and today I chose this 500-piece puzzle from Schmidt, and this is called Sweet Temptations. And yes, as you can see, we've got a lot of candy on there. So, fortunately, it's not the kind of candy that I do like best, so I won't get hungry while puzzling this, and I won't gain weight. So, yes, I think it's it should be easy, and yeah, let's do the jigsaw. Alright, so here we've got the, I think it was Sweet Temptations, yes. So that looks like Haribo confect, and here we've got a marshmallow thing, what we call Mäusespeck, which translates to mice, fat, mice bacon, well, whatever. And here we've got a bowl of Smarties or M&Ms, and this looks like sour drops. This could be sour apple gummies. Don't know what this is. It isn't popcorn, but well. And here we've got the snails. I think they are from Haribo as well. And some, we call them UFOs. So it is like a thin, like candy paper, and then you've got some bubbling powder or something in that. So, yes, candy. Nothing more to say here. Then I would say thank you very much for watching, and if you like what you saw, you can hit the like button, or you can subscribe, or whatever. Thank you, bye bye.